Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. When you see me like this, you already know what's gonna happen. I'm doing a maintenance day. Right now it's 12:02. Like usual, we're gonna be doing my hair, lashes, nails. I have to detangle my hair and I have to blow it out so I could braid it back for this wig that I'm about to put on. If you guys didn't know, I'm actually a senior in college. Yeah, and this is my last semester. I don't have classes next semester. In the spring, I plan on going to like more parties and everything and actually enjoying the rest of my college experience, at least my undergrad experience. This semester is going to be really hectic for me just because I'm the president of my dance team, so there's like a lot of responsibility that's going to be on my shoulders. Kind of nervous, but I'm also really excited. This is going to take me forever, so I'm going to brush through my hair and then I'll be back. Y'all, I don't be doing this on purpose. It's 5:59, like it's 6 o'clock. I did blow my hair out. I can't braid my hair back, so my mom's gonna braid my hair back and then I'll come back and I'm gonna show you guys the wig. Yeah, okay, so now that I got my gel braids in, I'm so excited to do my hair. I plucked my wig off camera. Y'all, look at this. One thing about doing your hair yourself though, like it's really time consuming doing your hair, doing everything yourself, hair, lashes, nails, but I can just see the vision already. You guys watch my older videos, like you can really see the progression, and I haven't been doing this that long. I'm just so thankful for everybody who's like supporting my channel. I used to be so like embarrassed about starting a YouTube channel, but now I'm like, subscribe. Like, why are you not subscribed? So I finally finished my hair and it came out so cute. This is how long it is. I really took my time. I just think the red is a really good transition for fall. Like, I'm used to doing burgundy, but like I actually love this color. Like, I'm in love with this color. Alright, so now that my hair is done, we're gonna move on to my lashes, but first I gotta clean up because this is the only thing I hate about doing my own freaking hair. Like, look at all of this mess, bro. Okay, y'all, I don't know if I said it already, but if you guys want this wig, it's Vice Unit 12. I got this from Diva Trust. Like, this is where I buy all my wigs from. It's $9.15. I'm gonna be doing these lashes that I get from Shein. Next thing I'm gonna do is my toes, but I'm not gonna do it on camera because y'all are only gonna get but so much feet content, especially for free. I'm gonna show you guys my nails right now, but I'm doing black French tip nails, so I'm gonna do all black feet and we're just going for this like dark feminine energy look. I'm so excited. I'll show you guys my feet, like a little sneak peek of it, I guess. Yeah, and then we're gonna do my nails and we're gonna be done with like the whole glow up. Okay, so I just finished doing my feet. Right now is 10:26. It's really late. These are my nails. I'm doing this black French tip. Like, these are so cute and my feet are black. I'll be back when I put my nails on. Guys, okay, so I'm pretty much all done with my whole glow up. Y'all better go get y'all one of these. So these are my nails. Let me show you guys from a different angle. Isn't it so cute? These are my toes. Don't be weird. They're just all black. So now I have this box from Amazon. It's right there. I'm gonna open with all my like school stuff, like my new school supplies. I'm going to change my laptop case from this pretty pink one, and we're gonna do black to match my whole like dark feminine energy aesthetic that I have going on. And then we're gonna change my phone case and we're gonna like pack my bag a little. So yeah, let's go do that. Okay, y'all, so I can't stop looking at myself like, this is actually so cute. We're gonna take the stuff out. The thing I have is this phone case. If you watched my back to school haul, you would have saw this phone case. It's the one I have on now. It's just all black and it has like this silver detailing on the sides. We're gonna put this phone case on. So cute. Like, let me take this off. It's gonna take me a minute with these nails. Okay, so I just put the phone case on and it looks really good. I love this. It's so cute. Okay, I had this pink glittery one for a really long time, but the ends of it is starting to like chip off, if you can see. So we're gonna change it. So we're gonna change it to this glittery black one. Alright, so I just finished cleaning the back off. Pretty sure it go like this. Gosh, bro, I'm so happy. It's so cute. Alright, so the last step is to just put the keyboard piece on. Hold on, let me show you guys from a different angle. I lost the footage from after whatever the last video is. I lost that footage. I was oh my gosh. So today's Tuesday, August 29th. All I have to do today, honestly, is to get my bag packed and situated, and then I'm gonna go take my car to the car wash. Okay, so like I said, I only have to show you guys really the school supplies that I got. Yeah, then really just going to the car wash. So I'm gonna show you everything that I'm gonna put in my bag for my senior year of college. My classes are gonna be hard this year, but literally freshman year all the way up until now, I had like the easiest classes ever. Like I had the easiest college experience in terms of like my coursework. So I can't complain too much because I have one semester left and I think I could stick it out for a semester. So if you saw my back to school haul, you know that I got this spray ground. I never owned a spray ground before in my life until now. So yeah, I'm actually in love with this, and I just love that it's not like too much, and I love that it's like not too feminine, but it's just a little bit like there's these little hints of pink in the bag. Like this is pink right here, and like just I don't know, like I just love this bag. And I used to have a can and it was honestly like I would carry so much. Well, it wouldn't be that much, but the stuff that I would carry, it would make my back hurt. Like those straps, they're too thin. This is like the best upgrade I could ever get, to be honest. I got this new laptop case and cover. It's black and it's glittery, and when I open it you can see the Apple sign light up, which is really cute. I also have this 3-subject 5-star notebook. Since I'm in college, I don't really need to write as much. We usually use our laptops for everything. So I didn't want to get like a 5-subject because I just didn't think it was necessary. This is not the pencil case that I'm going to be using for the semester. This is just the only one I have at the time. The one that's coming in the mail isn't going to get here until Thursday. So this is the pencil case that I'm going to be getting. But yeah, I'm just going to use this pencil case for now. And I got this laptop case for my 13-inch MacBook Air. I still have a ton of space, so it's not too tight, and it's honestly like, this is so nice. Has a pocket right here if I want to carry like other stuff in it. It also comes with this little pouch, which is what I'm gonna put my laptop charger in. The last thing that I got for school is this Brita water bottle. I got this Brita just in case there wasn't any like filtered water. On my campus they have water bottle stations, but sometimes like I don't be trusting the water. The laptop, I'm taking math this year. I couldn't take it any other time of the year, but it's only like a basic math anyway. But yeah, I'm taking my calculator, Lysol spray, because I hear COVID is coming back and it is not going to ruin my senior year. Not again. I'm also going to pack some gum and the pencil case. On the side, I'm going to put the water bottle. Okay, it fits. So that's my bag. Okay, so the last thing I gotta do is go get my car wash. I'm just waiting in line right now. Hopefully they just have a daytime like exterior one that's cheap, because honestly I can do the interior myself. So I'm getting my car wash now. They had an exterior VIP option. So I'm gonna vacuum and everything myself, and they make you go through this like whole entire thing to entice you to buy something. But I got a water, so I guess I fell for it. Y'all, it is so hot out here, but I just got my car washed. I'm about to show you, and this is what the interior looks like. Like I said, I'm gonna do it myself, but it's a little bit dirty. Everything else, it's really not that bad. Yeah, it smells so good in here. Like, it smells so clean. Let me show you. There's not much to see, but really it's just all vacuumed. Everything was wiped down. My car never gets that dirty, so honestly, like, it's really easy for me to clean it. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of this video. If you watched it all the way to the end and you're not subscribed, you need to click that button, like, right now. Tomorrow's my first day of class and I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to actually see my outfit and to do a get ready with me. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video for me. We're at 200 subscribers, so I want to thank you guys so much for liking my content and sharing my content. But yeah, it's really hot and I need to go home and edit this video, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.